Hey there, so how to install Uniswap home screen widget on iPhone. So just tap and hold and you will see apps jiggling. Then you can just tap plus and then here, if you have installed Uniswap app, there is a new Uniswap wallet app. You just tap on it and then you will see just token prices in the nice handy widget. There is like a small widget, there is a bigger one. Then you can just tap it, add widget, just tap done. And there you have it. Then that's just what it is. And then you just have Ethereum, for example, the price of Ethereum, or I don't know which other widgets, like other tokens to add. So you can just edit widgets. And yeah, of course, so you can just select token from here, like USD coin, Tether, wrapped Bitcoin, DAI, some other tokens. And on Uniswap you have all this kind of web decentralized finance DeFi tokens. So this is not like Coinbase where they just have this quite limited tokens. This is more like DeFi app. And yeah, you can now install home screen widgets, which is quite cool just to track prices. For now, maybe they will add some additional features in the future.